In this video, I'm gonna show you how to achieve a cinematic look in Premiere Pro. So the first thing that you gotta do is add a black bar on top and the bottom of the clip. So first, just click on Effects and type in Crop. Click and drag to your video. Make sure that you click on your arrow if you don't see Effect Controls. And now that you're in Effect Controls, you'll see Crop. And under Crop, go for 10% on top and 10% on bottom. Now, it really depends on what kind of scene that you're going for. But next, we'll go to the Lumetri. And for the curves, make sure that it's a bit darker. Not too dark. But then if you want to highlight some parts, that's good too. And what people usually do is make their scene kind of like black and white, but not too much. There we go. And in here, go for Lumetri color for the midtones. Play around the midtones, whichever looks better. Not too much. There we go. And now your video looks way better. And that's it. Thank you all for watching.